Good evening, no proper video today, so I'm just going to quickly nip out and show you what I've done in Ravan. Get out a flea. Been a cracking day. Absolutely gorgeous, still no sign of any dolphins. But the old beach is eroding nicely over there. Right, let's go and have a look at Ravan. Sat in her favourite spot on the seafront. So all I've done today is make a mess on the floor. Look at that, really grimy. What a state. But I've started to take off this hideous black stuff. Oh, the lights are all on. Why are the lights all on? They shouldn't be. I didn't turn them on. Right, where's the oh look, this is what I've done. Oh, it goes dark when I zoom in. I'm filming this on my iPhone. It's all very confusing. Can I stick that on? Oh, there we go. That looks all right, doesn't it? I've got to tamp that bit down at the end, but my bed's all nicely lined, so that's good. Got my bedding up there. Don't know why these lights are coming on. Where's the solar panel thing? Oh, it's just up here, I think. Yeah, so I managed to this was all kind of pinned up, most of the cable for this up under there, and I couldn't get this thing to the front, but now I've got it all extended. I can just stick out the window here, I've discovered, and the sun then charges it up, but I don't want it all on. Is that going to turn it off? Oh, it's all flashing now. Oh, this is exciting. Strobe lighting in my van. All right. Slow strobe lighting. And no, they're still on. Some of them are still on anyway. Okay, so those ones are still on. If I turn it off, they stay on. So I wonder if this solar panel over here, there's no switch on this, I don't think. Not that I've looked. Oh, there is a switch. Is that a switch? Oh, there is a switch. Has that done anything? No, they're still on. That's odd. Don't really like having lights on that I don't know why they're on. If anyone has any suggestions. Oh, these are flashing. Don't want my van burning down. So I wonder if I'm missing a switch somewhere or something. What would happen if I unfasten this? Unplug the solar thingy. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, off. They're still on. Okay. So they're not drawing power from there. Where are they drawing power from, I wonder? And these are still flashing. Is it something to do with this thing? This thing's doing nothing now. I think I'm missing something. There must be some sort of battery power pack somewhere that's controlling these lights, and I haven't a clue where or what it could be. Is there anything under here? No. Not that I can see. Strange. Yeah, very, very strange. There may be something up in the bunk bed. Let's switch to the other camera. Hold on. I've changed my mind. I'm going to stick with the iPhone. Let's see if I can climb up into the bed. Oh, hold on. No, that's right. Well, this is all a bit of an adventure, isn't it? There's the camera gone. There you are. Oh, let's turn it around. Right. So we have these lights on. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Oh, right, now then. That showed me one thing, that lying this way, I don't think it's quite long enough. Hold on, let me have a go. I thought I'd previously tested this and sort of lay Sorry about this, people. Give me a claustrophobia. No, okay, so if I lie this way, that back there is too short. Oh. Don't know if you can see my head. So I think I've worked these ones out. They've now locked flickering, as you can see. So if I go down and push it all the way from this little solar panel all the way along to one side, they are now flickering. If I do it all the way to the other side, they're just on. If I put it to the middle, they're off. Okay, so these lights all over the ceiling are controlled by this, or presumably presumably charged up by this hopelessly tiny solar panel here. I don't think there's a second solar panel that is associated with these lights. And then there's another whole load of solar panels up there. Can't really see from here, which controls these ones in their little cages. And then these ones, which are just LEDs without any kind of thing around them, are controlled by that solar panel down there. And this one, I haven't worked it out yet, but I've unplugged it for now. Must be another solar panel somewhere that controls that one. I think I'm going to have to take all of these down, get them all in order so I can sell, or have the complete units removed. Then I can work them out and put them back up again, because they're handy having all these lights. But they're not that handy if they're not being properly charged, because the solar panels are inside when they should be on the outside. Anyway, I'm glad I got the bed sorted. Give that a go this evening, I think. Got some of this ripped off. Some of this hideous black material. Hold on. Just cardboard or some sort of weird cardboardy type stuff. Underneath, which is black again, of course. So it's not made it any lighter taking this stuff out. It's very satisfying though. It's just stapled on. There we go. So I think I'll probably end up just stripping it down to the foil underneath these bits of card stuff. I could paint them, I suppose. They're screwed on, some of them. Well, no, they're all screwed on. What I need to do is to find out what's underneath here, where there's rock wool, which I'm not that keen on. What I'd like to be able to do is just make this, the old insulation that's under here good, so it's proper insulation, and then do wooden panelling over, straight over what they've already done. There's the insulation. Lots of wiring. Well, that'll do for this evening in here, I think. What a mess. Definitely a work in progress. What a gorgeous evening though.